I got a letter or something or another from Sage. So I'm gonna open it. Yay! And you're seeing it from this end because the other end has my address and stuff on it. Ta-da. It's all tapey. Skype, what are you doing? What are you doing, Skype? Nothing. Okay. Huh? Butterfly. Cool. Yay. And the other one is... Oh, cool! That's cool. That's pretty badass. Now, I'm assuming that's supposed to be a tattoo version of Helper. Cool. Thank you, Sage. I'll keep these in the place where I keep things that are awesome. Don't worry, they won't go on the refrigerator. They'll go somewhere cool. Yay. These are neat. Thank you. Bye.